Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today we have a special collaboration and it's called Fit for Life, Getting Back on Track. So now the host of this collab is the Grace Life DIY home decor. We also have Buckeye Girls Decor and Lifestyle. We have At Home with Lisa. She also has a second channel, Living Life with Lisa. Then we have Deborah Cabasa Home Living and Carla Marshall Creates. Carla, I hope I got your name right. So I'm going to be linking the hosts down below in the description box along with our channel links. I'm also going to be linking the playlist. So make sure and full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist, guys, so that you can see what we create for getting back on track. Now for this video, I thought I would go ahead and give you an idea for Super Bowl Sunday, and I am really excited about this video. Remember that every time you click that like button and full watch a video, this helps me to grow. And then comment below because I would love to hear from you. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who have been with me for a while or even from the very beginning, I want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. So as you can see, I'm setting up a charcuterie board on my coffee table. So let's enjoy, guys. I'm going to play some music and then I'll see you at the end. Okay, now you know I always have to light a candle for everything. Just make sure everything looks right. Let's head on over to the reveal. So I just want to say thank you for all of those who hosted with me in this collab or joined in. I also want to thank the ones that support us by watching. And so if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.